4 to 5 bitter gourd. Boil it in salt water, a half teaspoon salt.
Subscribe.
Now clean the seeds. Fry it in oil.
Subscribe.
1 teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon jeera. 3 green cardamom. 2-inch cinnamon. Star anise. 1 black cardamom. 5 clove. 8 to 10 clove garlic. 3 to 4 red chili. Grind it in mixer grinder. 2 medium-size onion chopped. A half teaspoon salt. Add grinded masala. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala. Fill the mixture.
Subscribe.
Serve and enjoy with lunch or dinner.
Subscribe. Like, comment, share.